Ang dumi tayo dyan, ha? Oo, kanina third na.
Gagawin ko ang lahat, pangako mo lang, di ako iiwan, dahil mahal. Give me more. Mahal na mahal kita.
Habog. Oo, ano. Naging. Sorry. Yes.
Ako? Ang gero na tingin.
I would just like to say that with a heavy heart, I have to go. Maybe no time for me to face the challenges that the world has to offer. No, it's not.
Mahal na mahal kita. Hindi ako matatakot, mahihiya.
But I guess it's one decision I have to make.
Mahal kita. Dahil mahal.
Though we are far apart, so that we won't be seeing each other daily.
Gagawin ko ang lahat, pangako mo lang, di ako iiwan, dahil mahal.
So dear and so special to me. All of you will still be always in my mind.
Gagawin ko ang lahat, pangako mo lang, di ako iiwan,
Memories with you
dahil
guys. So I'm now in Doha, Qatar. I'll never forget.
Are you speaking in behalf of Ces?
Oh.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
So, you might not feel my presence in my presence, but I hope you'll always remember that I am your friend, no matter what, no matter how far I am, and no matter what circumstances. I love you guys, and now that I have to go, all I wish is for you not to forget me. Always think of me, the friend that I was, and the friend that I will always be. More, love you, and I hope you have a wonderful time, even if I'm not around. But I know time will come and I'll be back and we'll be together and we'll be happier than we ever been. Thank you. Bye. Sabi, Seth! Seth, gusto kong malaman mo na.
Seryoso na to?
Oo, serious na.
Mama, come here na. Uy, yung mama mo.
Seth, ang ginagawa, Seth? Hindi. Sumagot. Gusto kong malaman mo na although awkward para sa isang lalaki, magsabi, ay, kanyang pagmamahal sa isang kaibigan. Gusto kong malaman mo na hindi ko may paliwanag kung bakit napalapit ka lang sa akin. Aliw na aliw ako. Nanig ka! Pag nandyan ka, ito,
Nagpapagkumpong.
ano ba? Impromptu to. Impromptu.
Alam mo, maganda yung usapan pag nandito tayo sa harap.
Si Mama sabihin mo, pumunta dito at itigil manood ng TV.
Ay, nasa na ba ako? Nakakalimutan ko na tuloy. Sabi ko nga,
Pause! Pwede bang pause?
Okay.
Teka, ngalay na ako eh.
pause.
Pause.
Rewind.
Pause.